Hello there, fourth grade families. I hope you are all doing well. I wanted to make a video to help you navigate how to find my website, as well as how to kind of see my weekly schedule that I have set out for my students on my website. Because I've had a couple of questions of how to find all of that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to make a video to make it easier for everyone. So here I am at the TCA website and I'm clicking on families. And from there, you can click on families and it'll take you to families, or you can just click and it'll bring a drop down and you can click on learning at home. So I'm going to click on that. And then if you scroll down, it has all of the classroom links here. So Zooming, if you're Zooming anyone, you can click on the Zoom button and it'll take you to log in and put in meeting IDs and such things. Then here is my YouTube channel and my class site. So if you click on class site, it'll take you right to our classroom website. And then you'll see I added a new tab here called Daily Schedules. And if you click on that, the weeks we have will drop down. This was last week, and this is this week's schedule. And if you scroll down, you'll see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And there's a list of things for the students to do on each of those days. Now, some of my students are from the different classes, so some of them are in Mrs. O'Connor's class, some of them are in my class, as you all know. So for my math students, this is their assignment to do Khan Academy, and this is the Khan Academy assignment I want them to do on Monday. So last week we had a couple of students going ahead on the work, which is awesome, but then there were also some questions and some confusion because I hadn't made a YouTube video to go along with that lesson yet. So if they want to just go at this steady pace and do one exercise a day that I will assign here in our weekly schedule, they can do that. Then I have my ELA class and I have kind of a list of things that we go over in our ELA class, religion, and then science. So I would highly suggest that you pull this up every day for your student and have them, just do a little checklist and make sure that they get all their work done for that day. All right, please let me know if you have any other questions. I am happy to help in any way that I can. Have a wonderful day.